How to automate tasks with Grok AI. So if you want to automate tasks with Grok AI, then just open up your Grok AI. It saves time like a pro. So let's get started. First, you need to write emails in one click. So what you can do is you can prompt like write a polite follow-up email for a missed meeting. And then boom, there's a professional email done in seconds. Then you can automate the report. If you have a data, you can tell the Grok to summarize the data into a weekly performance report for you. You can also ask Grok to give the information in charts, or you can ask to create an SOP and to-do list. Like if it needed a structure, you can prompt like create a daily to-do list for social media manager instant productivity. Then you can also automate the code task, or say write a Python script to rename 100 files. Then you can also use the social media magic. You can automate the contact with prompts. And that's it. You can automate like a pro with Grok AI. It saves time and works smarter. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.